Hi, my name is Jutta, and today we are going to make a polka dot pattern brush in Procreate. Let's start with a square canvas. Mine here is 2000 by 2000 pixels wide. Pick the Monoline Brush from the Calligraphie Set. Open up the Color panel and tap twice in the black area to have the circle snap to a pure black value. We can check if it's all black by switching over to the Value panel. When all the sliders are at the very left, we're good to go. Every other value will keep our brush from being fully opaque. Let's draw a circle in the center of our canvas. Put one finger onto the screen to have it snap into a perfect shape. Color drop the black in. Go to the Move tool, enable snapping, and move your shape into the center. Draw a tiny dot in the two opposite corners. Now duplicate this layer 4 times. Start with the top layer. Go to the Move tool, then move the canvas towards the top left corner until the yellow lines appear. Repeat this step with the remaining layers. Your canvas should look like this now. Open the Copy and Paste menu. If you're using Procreate's default setting, then you will find it with a 3-finger swipe down. I changed it for me, so I am able to open it with the Apple Pencil double tap. Choose Copy All. Open up a brush set where you want to add your brush to. Tap the plus button. Go to the Grain panel. Next to Grain Source, tap Edit. Tap Import and Paste. Tap with 2 fingers to invert the colors. Tap Done. Beneath Grain Behavior, switch from Moving to Texturize and adjust the scale to your liking. Mine is about 6% now. Go to Apple Pencil and set opacity to none. Move one panel down to Properties and adjust the maximum size to your liking. Further down in About this brush, name your brush, sign it, and add a photo. Tap Done. Let's try it out. It looks great! Let me show you what our brush would paint like if we hadn't inverted the colors. Open the Brush panel and swipe our newly made brush to the left. Tap Duplicate. Open the Brush Studio of the one with the number 1 next to its name. Go to Grain Source and tap Edit once more. Tap with 2 fingers to invert the colors back to where they were initially. Tap Done. In About this brush, change the brush's name. As you can see, you won't be able to change the photo, which is very helpful to prevent others from declaring your brushes as their work. Tap Done. Let's see how this brush paints now. Instead of filling the dots with color, it fills the spaces in between. Both brushes can be very useful for your illustrations, so you can keep both of them. You can create a whole set of so-called halftone brushes. By changing the dot size or the spacing in between, you can vary the effects. Check out Roy Lichtenstein's art to see how creatively he used halftone in his amazing work. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your polka dot art on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!